Shit. Yeah, yeah. All right, I'll be there in 20 minutes. Hold your horses. Party's over, baby. Let's wrap up this nut. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get it. Don't let it go. Check that out. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna have to bail on this dinner party. Lovely place, though.
Don't worry about it. Lasagna's almost ready. But we can eat without you.
Here, baby. Why don't you try a couple of these refreshing mints? You smell like feet. Well, I'm gonna have to make like your pussy and split. Can you guys do me a favor? Get Pumpina back to her place after dinner?
Her place? You ruined my favorite pumps, you fucking asshole.
Yeah, that's funny. You should be a comedian.